Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Biscuit Ganpati. First, gather all your materials. You'll need a variety of biscuits, some powdered sugar and water for edible glue, and any decorations you like. Make sure your workspace is clean and flat, ready for crafting. This project is fun and creates a beautiful, edible idol. Now, let's start building. Crush your chosen biscuits into a fine powder. Then, gradually add your edible glue, mixing until it forms a firm, pliable dough. Begin shaping this dough into the main body and head of your Ganpati idol. For the arms and legs, you can use smaller, carefully shaped biscuit pieces, attaching them securely. Next, we'll add the distinctive features. Shape small pieces of biscuit dough to create Ganpati's trunk and ears, attaching them firmly. Use edible markers or tiny candies to form the eyes and other facial details. Don't forget to craft a small modak, his favorite sweet, from the biscuit dough. Take your time to smooth any rough edges for a polished look. Finally, it's time to decorate your Ganpati. Use edible colors or food-grade paints to add vibrant details and bring your idol to life. Embellish with edible pearls, sprinkles, and glitter for a festive touch. Once decorated, carefully place your finished Ganpati on a beautiful base. Allow it to dry completely to ensure it holds its shape before displaying your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.